University.
Ay, pagkahulog. Anyway, good afternoon and sa four girls. Okay, my question is, when do you feel that you are the most vulnerable as a woman, and when do you feel that you are the most slave or empowered? Since we're celebrating Women's Month. So, yun. Pang beauty queen yan.
Hello, Ate Rose. Thank you for that wonderful question. Or pang beauty queen naman yung tanong mo. Yung una siguro, I feel most vulnerable when I'm at home or whenever I'm with my family. Kasi dun ko pag sa bahay kasi, di ba? May as a people, meron tayong kanya-kanyang mga phases sa buhay, di ba? So, ako as a person, parang alam kong tanggap nila ako kung sino talaga at kung ano ako as a person. That's why kung ano man ilalabas kong emosyon sa kanila, kung ano yung pakiramdam ko during the day, or kung ano yung mga gusto kong sabihin, nasasabi ko lahat. So, yun yung parang that's when I feel I'm most vulnerable and grounded. I also feel vulnerable whenever I'm on set. Kasi, as an actor, wow, as an actor, syempre we have to play different shoes, di ba? Kailangan lagi kang bukas, kailangan bukas yung instrumento mo. Because, pag sarado ka, hindi mo magbibigay yung best self mo as the character. So ako, make sure kung bukas ako palagi pagka nasa set ako. I feel most empowered whenever I'm performing or basta anything na related to music.
When you're with Raver.
Sorry pa?
When you're with Raver, how do you
When I'm with Raver, of course. When I'm with Raver, I feel most empowered because siya yung laging nagpapalakas sa akin, siya yung nagsasabi sa akin ng mga best things about myself. Like whenever I have doubts about myself, like lagi niyang sinasabi na hindi totoo yan, kaya mo yan. Ikaw lang yung best for me, lagi niya. Sinasabi sa akin gano'n. So ako, I feel better na ako agad.
Okay, thank you, Julie. Bongga pala ng cast. Lahat dito, happy in love. Lahat kayo pala happy in the love life.
Yes. Oo, may nice.
Thanks.
Ginawa ni Julie yung sagot ko. Kasi honestly, iniisip ko din yun. Iniisip ko, kailan ko pinaka-feel na I'm vulnerable. And tama siya dun sa set. Kasi sometimes, lalo na, kapag malayo sa'yo yung character or natatakot ka dun sa kailangang ibigay na emosyon. Kasi to deliver that, kailangan mong i-break down yung sarili mo. Basagin kung ano man yung... It's natural for us humans to build walls up and protect ourselves from negative feelings, masakit na emosyon. Natural na reaction ng katawan natin yun sa mga ganung klaseng emotions. And as actors, it's our job na ma-break down yun at maging accessible yung vulnerability na yun. And pinakakailangan namin yung gawin is sa set. So that's when I feel most vulnerable, lalo na pag andyan na yung madaming tao behind the camera but you're exposing your feelings from yung iniiyak mo, totoo para sa'yo yun, masakit talaga siya kasi ramdam mo talaga siya. So, para kang, sorry for the term, pero para kang nakahubad sa harap nila. Ganon yung feeling. Na, I feel so exposed when I jump into scenes like that. And yung empowerment, honestly, pag nag-good take yung mga ganong moments, you feel may empowerment agad yun. Pero I was also thinking about it just now. And I think I feel it the most pag nagtatawanan kami ng pamilya ko. Yung buo kami, tapos nag-aasaran, tapos kahit nga nag-iiyakan at nagko-comfort ng isa't isa, or kahit nag-aaway, ay hindi pala yung nag-aaway. Okay, I take that away back. Mas yung tawanan namin as a family. Because parang in moments like that, I feel so blessed and I feel so grateful na I have this support system and feeling ko kahit anong pumunta sa akin sa life, kakayanin ko basta kasama ko sila.
Again, and just like with Julie, how about Paul?
Empowered din naman, lalo na pag naglalakad kami together, nagde-date, ganyan. So, I feel good.
Okay.
Ano naman yun eh, ma-compliment siya lagi. Sinaway ko pa nga na at one point, sabi ko, huwag ka masyadong nagsasabing, I look good, napayat na ako. Pag ako naging komportable, kakain ako. Kaya huwag ka ganyan. Honest lang, sorry. Masyado bang honest, Miss Tracy? Okay, sorry. Thank you po, thank you, Ate Rose.
Ako naman, I feel the most vulnerable, honestly, whenever I travel. Kasi when I travel, I feel so grounded. I feel like there's more to the world, there's more to my problems. Na pag iniisip ko na siya, ang dami kong problema, ang dami kong ginagawa masyado. Whenever I travel, it's some kind of an instrument that God sends me the signal na ang dami nangyayari sa mundo. And I feel most vulnerable when I know the stories, the different cultures of each place that I go to. Of course, I share it with my family, with Khalil, and yun talaga. I love traveling, and I feel like there are a lot of things in my life that I only learn through traveling. So that's when I'm most vulnerable. I feel the most empowered whenever I make my own decisions. I'm a very outspoken person. I'm not afraid to say yes, to say no to a lot of things. And whenever I make my own decisions, I feel like I'm in control of my life. So that's the moment when I feel very much empowered.
Nagpapasok si Khalil sa dalawa.
Nandun siya palagi, sa lahat. Nandun naman siya, present naman siya in everything that I do.
Thank you, Gabi.
Hi, Ate Rose. Ako po, when I feel most vulnerable, siguro, when I feel alone. I think, lalo na ngayon na Women's Month, parang misconception na pag isang malakas na babae, kailangan kaya mo yung sarili mo. And as an only child na, alam mo yun, of course my mom is always there for me, my family is always there for me, pero pag only child ka and pag feeling mo na kailangan mong maging empowered, itatry mong lagpasan ng isang problema sa buhay mo by yourself, yun yung misconception. And I think that's one of the things that I really loved about my character din dito, is naging revelation din siya for myself na pwede ka rin humingi ng tulong. Yung mga past roles ko, I played the hero, I played someone who's supposed to save the day, someone who's supposed to solve problems. And I feel like naka-apekto rin yun sa mindset ko na kailangan kaya kong mag-solve ng problema by myself. And dun din siguro pupunta sa, I feel most empowered when I recognize that there are also people around me to help me and to be there for me and to empower me as well. And I think nakatulong din yun na dito sa series na to, na-embrace ko talaga yung ganong side ko. And yung side ko na pag nagiging vulnerable ako sa harapan ng ibang tao, mas nagiging empowered ako to solve it and to help myself as well. And I think nakatulong din na I also feel very empowered whenever I'm with these girls as well. Kasi yung strength nila as individuals, nakatulong din yun sa akin. And I feel like I learned so much from them, not just as actors, but also as women and how to carry myself.
Thank you.